Okay, exercise 3C. Find 8.45 divided by 10. How many zeros? 1 0. That means it will shift to the left side by 1 places. So that means it will be 0.845. This will be answer. Like this, 39 divided by 10, it will shift to the left side by 1 place. That means it will be 3.9. So like this, all these questions of one number you have to do by yourself. No calculation is that, just you have to adjust, shift the decimal point. 2 number, here it is given, the dividend is given in the form of decimal number and the divisor is whole number. So first of all, main thing is that first of all you have to divide by considering is as a whole number, then after you adjust the decimal point. So first 6 you divide by 2, then it is 3, answer is 1 decimal places. So sorry, dividend is your 1 decimal places, so quotient will also be in 1 decimal places. That means 0.3. So similarly 294 you divide by 7, after that whatever you have got, then you adjust the decimal. 4 number also you do by yourself, 4 number. Now 5 number, see 5 number, it is given 0.0037, this is given. So first of all, main thing is first you divide 37 by 5, 5 sevens are 35, you have got how much, 2. Now take 1 decimal point, it will be 0, 5 fours are 20. So you have got 7.4. This is not completed. 7.4 you have got by dividing 37 by 5. Okay, but question it is given 0.0037. So in question your dividend is how many decimal places? Check 5 decimal places. That means from this decimal point it will be in the 5 decimal places. That means it will be how much? It will be, that means we have got 7.4. Now since this is 5 decimal places, so answer will also be in 5 decimal, but already 1 decimal point is there. That means from this point it will be in 5 decimal places. That means from this point, so 0.000, sorry, 0.074. Previously it was there, from there it shift to 5 decimal. That means 1 2 3 4 5. Check, previously it was there 7.4, from there it shifted to this. Check how many decimal, how it shifted to the left side by how many places? 5 places. Previously it was there, that means from this, from 7 we will count, not from 4, because already you have, by dividing already you have got decimal point here. Okay, so that means after dividing you have got 7.4. now from this you have to shift it to 5 decimal places. Already your decimal point is we have got, so that means from this position we have to count. So 1 2 3 4 5. So here also 1 0, here 1 0, here 1 0 0. This will be your decimal point. Understood? 6 number, 7 number you do, 8 number I am discussing. So 8 number also nothing is there, just you have to divide considering it as a whole number, 2575. If you divide by 114, so 114 here 112, it will not go. That means what you have to do, you have to take 4 numbers, so you have to take 1125. so 112114, if you take 10, then it will become 1140, but here 1125 is there, so this will become smaller, so we have to multiply with 9, then only it will go. So if I multiply with 9, I will get 1026. So if I do the multiplication after doing the subtraction, 25 minus 26, what it will be? 9, then again it will be 9. 99. So now 114 and here 99, so it is smaller, this one, so that means you have to take one number, so from this I have taken the 7, so 997. So now it will go by 8, because by multiplying with 9 I have got 1026. So let's try with multiplying with 8, then only it will become smaller. I need 997, so I multiply with 8. So if I multiply with 8, I will get 912. So 912, see here, 912. 2 if you multiply with 8. So while doing subtraction you have got 85, here 114, that means it is smaller. Again this 5 from the dividend I will take, so I will get 855. So this one I have divided by 114 if I divide by how much it will go, 7 I have taken, so 7 it will be 798. Subtraction you will get 557. Okay, but here 114 and here 57, so this is smaller, this number. So to make it bigger number, after that no number is there, this 5 only last digits I have taken out already now, so no digits, so that's why we have to take the decimal point. So if we take the decimal here, it will be 570. 114 into 5 is how much, 570. So that means your answer you will get how much, 987.5 without decimal point. So this question you have got, but the question it is given here what, 11.225 how many decimal places, 4 decimal places. Previously question while dividing we have got this one, but answer will be in 4 days. That means from this 7 I have got this one, no? 987.5. From this place it will shift to how much, 4 decimal places. So already 3 days, this is already, that means here it will be 0, then here decimal point, and this will be removed. Understood? From here it will shift to the 4. So 1 2 3 is already there, so it will shift to the after 4 places, it will shift to the left side by 4 places now. So 3 is already there, so now 1 digit ready, that means I have put the 0 and then it will be decimal point. And the next questions we will discuss in the next video.